Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can get logged into your Deltanet Extranet. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And now, before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now, let's move on to the video. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser of your choice. And there, on the URL, search for Delta Airlines Employee Login. Now from the search result, tap on the very first link, sign in/Delta Login. And once you tap on it, you will be directly taken to its sign in page. Now here, you have to type in your Delta login or PPR, which has been provided by the company themselves, and then your account password. Once you're done with typing in your Delta login or PPR and your password, tap on sign in button. Once you tap on sign in button, if the credentials you have typed in are correct, then you will be successfully get logged into your account. Now, if your credentials you have typed in are incorrect, then this type of message will be appear on your screen. Now, type in your Delta login or PPR and the password of your account correctly and then tap on sign in button. And if you are having trouble in signing in, then you can tap on this trouble sign in button. And there you have to type in your Delta login or PPR correctly and then tap on send request. And then in the second step, you will be asked to enter your valid date and it will help you to recover your password. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your Delta Extranet. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.